Oh my gosh. I got a tickle in my nose. It's not seeming to come out. Excuse me. Hey. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh no. The tickle in my nose. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be loud. I just... My nose. It tickles. Oh no. Oh no. I think I could... I think I need to sneeze again. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. Oh no. The tickle. No, my nose. It's so tickly. Oh, my finger hit. Help stop it. Oh, thank God. I hope you all are doing okay. I honestly don't know anymore if I'm gonna leave or stay. I don't know what I want anymore. But I know what you want. Yeah, sure. You don't want me to stop sneezing, do you? I'll give you what you want. Yeah, Achoo! Oh, fuck. Take care.